Since I'm young, I inspire myself to be a successful businessman. And in 1974, my first business was selling porridge Teochew Muay in hawker centers. After that, I moved on into a factory catering business for 7 years. From there, we started the first company, Ching Leong Credit Enterprise, to buy and to sell used cars, or to re-export some of the used cars to our neighboring countries. From there, we moved on into parallel imports in 1993. Because of the recession of our car markets, mid-80s, I have started to diversify my company into car rental and leasing business.
Section and Prime has been established for a long time. We actually cater long and short-term rental to our expatriates, as well as other locals. I personally have been working here for the last 21 years, and I just can't believe how time flies. It has been many good working years working with a capable team like Section and Prime, and it has been honorable to be working for our bosses, Mr. Neo Nam Heng and Mr. Neo Lam Pang. The thing that has given us the most inspiration is the appreciation and support from our customers, whom we like to give thanks to, because our success would not be possible without their support. I'm confident that our company will continue to excel and will cater well to all our customers' requirements.
After the taxi business, I saw another opportunity. There's energy business. And we are proud and to have been authorized by Shell to be the fuel cards reseller. And today we are proud to say or to announce that we are the #1 biggest reseller in Southeast Asia.
Best Petrol and Diesel Supply was started in 2012. We are proud to have partnered with Shell to roll out a fuel card program specifically for small and medium enterprises. With the support of Shell and our customers, we've grown since 2012 to be one of Southeast Asia's leading fuel card resellers in the region. Best Petrol and Diesel Supply fuel cards are designed for SMEs. We help our SMEs to better manage their fuel spend with state-of-the-art solutions.
Further to diversify our group business, we are awarded a license by the Energy Market Authority in mid-2015 to supply and to retail electricity.
In 2015, we started Best Electricity to offer competitive electricity price brands to help our SME customers to lower their electricity costs. 20 months into the business, we are currently serving more than 1,000 customers and supplying to more than 2,000 premises. Currently, we are the third largest independent retailer. We are also looking forward to serving 1.2 million households and many other small businesses in the open electricity market, also formerly known as full retail contestability.
I strongly believe across the group's various divisions and departments, the key leaders are ready to take over and lead the companies or group into a greater heights.